Hey guys, Trent here, 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. My buddy Carlos gave me his Jeep. And he said, hey man, I got a really sweet Jeep and I want to do a long arm upgrade on the thing. Can you help me out? And I said, yes we can, please drop it on by. And so he did, and we're going to do so now. Carlos is going to do the KRAWLER long arm upgrade kit. He's actually got a pretty darn good Jeep to start off with. Got some 37s, some Fox reservoirs, got a Fox stabilizer. It's looking pretty good. It's going to look even better once we get this kit on. Got a visit from the wife and kids. They dropped off some track bars and an exhaust relocation bracket. That build is underway. Carlos, we're digging into the Jeep. My favorite part is I can't wait till we start cutting stuff off. Come along strong. We got the old brackets cut off and new brackets welded on in the rear. We're working on cutting off the old brackets and welding on the new brackets in the front. Once we get all that done, then we can start putting the suspension back up, getting these axles back on, and work on the long arms. Alright, cutting and welding is done. We've got the arms on the front and the rear. Looking really good. Carlos, I'm telling you, I hope you appreciate all the love that we're giving you, my dude, because this thing is looking awesome. Look at this thing. Our boys at 4x4works.com putting in the hours, putting in the time, making it look really good. In the final stages of adjustment of the long arms, we've got our superstar Ed the main man, getting them all adjusted just right. Once we make these adjustments, it's going to get aligned, and then we're going to send it off to the exhaust shop, get the exhaust buttoned up, and then we'll do one more pass and give it back to my good buddy Carlos. Another awesome build in the hands of a happy customer. Thank you so much, Carlos, for letting us work on your Jeep. If you're watching this video and you've got a Jeep, truck, or SUV, please bring it on down to New Trent 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Or check us out on 4x4works.com. Give me a shout, 469-424-0028. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, the whole 9 yards. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for my next video.